Hey guys, so I'm here with the G35 for Project G35. Change of plans with the whole thing. We were gonna do an engine swap on it, and there's still no engine. There's a reason for that. So because of the economy, people need money, and this is being parted out. So Project G35 has turned into a teardown project, and we're going to take the whole thing apart and part out the entire car. Alright, so our current mission is to get the radio and the rest of the center console out, but it's kind of dark in here because the lights don't work. So we're going to push this out, or he's going to pull it out, and then stop it from rolling onto the road, and I'm going to man the e-brake. So far we just have the stuff under the steering wheel out, and this stuff on the side of the radio out. Other than that, are you ready, Ty?
Oh yeah.
I shall e-brake down.
You don't want to stay in there. We don't need to steer it. It'll be fine.
There we go. How far are we going out? Good? We can come out further?
Yeah, just a bit, and then just to get a little bit more light in the trunk so I can work in it.
Alright. Perfect.
I was going to say put it in gear, but...
Put it in gear. The transmission's not hooked up to anything. Even with the doors off and it like basically apart on the outside, it still looks fast.
We're gonna have to pull this out because the eaves troughs are leaking into my truck.
Oh, the eave trough is leaking into the truck. So further out.
Further out.
Good luck pushing this back in.
We're gonna need Justin here, so.
Why don't we just bump it in with a car? Is that
as high as it goes up? The e-brake?
Double check.
Yeah. You can use that if you want.
I will need that for some things.
What are we using? Like, what's this?
I don't know yet. So we're gonna figure that out eventually. Once we get the seats and stuff out. Did we find any more letters that spell out infinity?
Don't think so. Could be under here though.
True.
I'm gonna vacuum it first though.
Well, I don't want to vacuum up any of the letters.
Take the letters out. I'll hear it if I vacuum them out.
It's just a bolt. This is like glued on.
No letters.
We're missing some infinity. Alright, so we took the bottom of the dash out over here, and we took the glove compartment out. And then we could take the side panels off that were on here, and the radio just pulled right out of the dash. That should just slide right back in there. It's got clips.
It's not wanting to. You need to put the bottom in first. See how it has the lip? You need to push it underneath the other part. Okay.
Mike comes in with the wisdom and knowledge of 1,000 gods.
Undo?
Alright, so what we did is we had to get the seats to move up, but they're electric seats. So, the problem was, the battery wasn't going to work. battery secret on it, and our battery charger wasn't giving us enough juice. So we brought my car up, hooked up the jumper cables, so we're using my battery, and my alternator's charging on my battery, and we can move the seats up so we can get the bolts at the back so we can take the seats out.
Safety tip of the day, don't touch the fan.
Safety tip of the day, do not touch the fan. You could lose your hand, or get a big X through your hand. That'd be worse. Alright Mike, you want to disconnect those?
No. Red first, right?
You don't have any power on your battery, but yeah, red first. Yep. Yep. Don't touch that.
Where do these go? Where'd you find them?
Your dad gave me those.
Cool. I'll probably get them again.
Cool. Yeah, we also had to push it back inside because it is raining. What? Are you going for a ride?
Yep.
I'm honestly just backing it up. There, was that fun? Look at that car. All I see is raindrops.
Exactly.
Mike, is it still rolling? Have a look at this transmission. This is what happens when you get a performance transmission. Keep it on the transmission. When you get a performance transmission, it's so good that when you shift gears, the whole thing moves. And that's what you want in a race car. It's the whole thing to not be connected to anything.
I swear I just watched it spark. No, actually, like, pause. Go back through this footage.
Alright, so we've gone back through this footage. And Mike is right, it did spark, and I have no idea why it sparked. Because there's nothing to cause a spark. The battery's not even connected anymore. He took off the positive terminal. And there's nothing in the transmission to make it spark. Mike, go grab the stick shift and roll it around. I want to see. Didn't do it. Yeah, it's not doing it. What the hell? Alright, well, to any of my viewers that know what the hell that was or why it would cause that, leave a message in the comments section, because I have no idea why it would do that. My mind is boggling. Is there any... There's no spark. There's no spark at all. There's no juice in the battery. There's nothing. The starter isn't even there, is it? No, there's nothing that would cause a spark. There's no way. But I watched it happen. Alright, so it got dark because we started late. We started around 7 and it got dark, and there's not enough light in the garage because the lights don't work and it's too dark outside to work on it properly. So we're just going to come back tomorrow morning just before lunch and see what we can get done on it. Hopefully finish by the end of the weekend. I'm going home though. Need sleep.